What is rationalism? What if the human mind already holds the key to truth before we ever see, hear, or touch anything? This question sits at the very heart of rationalism, one of the most influential ideas in the history of philosophy. Rationalism is the belief that reason is the primary source of knowledge. In other words, rationalists argue that some truths can be known through thinking alone, without relying on sensory experience. They claim that the human mind is not an empty container waiting to be filled by the world, but an active source of understanding. The roots of rationalism go back to ancient Greece, but it truly flourished in the 17th century. One of its most famous figures was René Descartes, who believed that doubt was the starting point of knowledge. He questioned everything that could possibly be false: his senses, his experiences, even the existence of the physical world. Yet he concluded that one thing could not be doubted: the fact that he was thinking. From this came his famous statement, "I think, therefore I am." Rationalists argue that certain ideas are innate, meaning we are born with them. Concepts like mathematics, logic, and basic principles of reality do not come from experience, they say, but from the structure of the mind itself. For example, we do not need to touch every triangle in the world to know that the sum of its angles is always the same. Reason alone is enough. This view stands in contrast to empiricism, which claims that all knowledge comes from sensory experience. While empiricists trust observation and experimentation, rationalists trust logical deduction. Many philosophers spent centuries debating which approach leads closer to truth. Rationalism had a huge impact on science, mathematics, and modern philosophy. It encouraged systematic thinking, skepticism toward appearances, and confidence in human reasoning. Even today, rationalist ideas influence fields like artificial intelligence, logic, and theoretical science. In simple terms, rationalism asks us to trust the mind's ability to uncover truth, even when the senses are silent. It reminds us that sometimes the most powerful discoveries begin not in the world around us, but in thought itself.